Today we're installing the SANUS Advanced Full Motion TV Wall Mount. This wall mount handles televisions from 42 inches up to 90 inches. It's heavy duty. It actually extends from the wall 28 inches. So this is quite a wall mount. Why don't you come along and maybe you'll get a tip or two for when you install your TV wall mount. So when you open the box, the first thing you're going to see is SANUS includes a mounting template that already has the holes and slots in it, so when we're ready to mount the wall bracket, we've got a template to go by. It's got a full set of instructions, and then inside the box we have a number of brackets that we're going to need. They include a whole range of bolts and bushings and whatnot that'll help you install this on your television set regardless of what model you have. Some heavy-duty wall anchors, and then a few more pieces that we're going to need with our installation. Underneath the first set of dividers, we've actually got our wall bracket, and underneath the second set of dividers is where they have the arms that go on your wall bracket. These are the arms that extend out 28 inches. So our television set is a 55-inch TV. So what I've done is I've hooked these two benches together, and that should give me enough space to work on, because we have to lay the television set face down in order to put the brackets on the back. So what I've done is I've put a piece of carpet on our workbenches, and then I've laid a soft cloth on there. And then the first thing we're instructed to do is remove the stand, because we won't be needing to stand with the wall bracket. We have our rear surface of the television set clear of the stand. And note here that the cord is recessed, so that doesn't look like it would be interfered with by the bracket, so that's good. And it's relatively flat. It appears to be one vertical bracket and two horizontal brackets. So let's grab those. We've got our horizontal brackets and our vertical brackets installed on the back of the television set and secured down with the screws provided. There's all kind of bushings. We had to kind of work with it to figure out what worked best for the back of our set. And I think we've got that pretty securely mounted. The next step will be to move out to the Lanai, and we're going to install the wall bracket, and that's a pretty important step, so that's next. Okay, this is where we're going to put our TV mount. I used the website for SANUS to figure out what the top and bottom bolt pattern should be for the height that we want to put our television set. Now I've already marked that. The information we got off the website was correct. What we're going to do is use this template to drill our hole pattern. Well, SANUS says that for this mount we should put 1, 2, 3 bolts up, 1 bolt middle bottom, and that should hold us. So that's our next chore, is to drill those 4 holes. I'm going to use a hammer drill today. You've seen me use one of these before, but the hole needs to be at least as deep and a little deeper than the fastener that we're using. So we're going to set our depth just a bit deeper than the screws that we intend to be using, so that there's clearance in there for dust and we don't bottom out our screws. The next step in our installation is going to be to run in our screws. I'll start these by hand first. These are Tapcon screws, so we don't want to put them in, take them out. They just go in one time, one there. So one here at the bottom. So make sure those are secure. And we just close the lid. And the bracket's on the wall. So the next step is to hang our bracket. Once we have these Allen screws tight, there we go. Just close our covers once again. Arms extend like this. We're ready for the big event. Well, installing the TV wasn't that difficult. We just had to get this knob, if you call it, to sit down in this V-shaped bracket. Once the TV settled in that bracket, it made an audible click down here from this section of the bracket. Once the TV is hung with a knob over the bracket, you need to put this securement screw in place, and that keeps the TV from being able to hop off that bracket and fall down. We've attached our power cord. Now what you can do is remove these top covers on the brackets and run your cable inside the bracket and out. And that way the cord doesn't get pinched with the brackets. And then it can run down from there to your power source. Since our power cord's not that long, we probably won't be doing that, but that's an option for you. We've installed our wall mount for a 55-inch television set. It comes out, tilts in all directions, and I really think it's going to complement our viewing experience out here on Lanai. If you like our videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll keep those videos coming. We'll see you next time.